In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch between multiple Raid Shadow Legends accounts here in 2025 and onwards. Now this is going to work whether you're playing on mobile or PC, and you're not going to lose any progress. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to switch your accounts here in Raid Shadow Legends, first of all, understand why you want to do it. Maybe you want to manage both a main account and an alt account like I'm doing right now. Maybe you want to share the game with your friends or family on one device, and on top of that, maybe you want to test different team builds across multiple profiles. It doesn't really necessarily matter why you want to do it, but what you're going to want to do is actually open up Raid Shadow Legends on your device and tap your profile icon up in the top left corner. From here, it's going to open up your settings where you're going to want to go down to the info section here, where you're going to want to go ahead and go to the player ID section right here and simply just log out. From here, it's going to take you back to the main login screen, where you're going to want to choose your preferred login method, whether it's Player ID, Facebook, Google Play, or Game Center if you're on an iPhone. Simply go ahead and enter in whatever you'd like, and those credentials for the account that you want to switch to. Just make sure you always link your accounts before switching so you don't risk losing progress. But yeah, after you do log in, verify you're on the correct account by checking the champion roster, champion progress, resources, and currency. If everything does match, then you've switched successfully. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.